tips for the busy person. And you know what? Which of us isn't busy? So the first thing I want to show you, it's gonna blow your mind. You know how you get greasy fingerprints all over your kitchen cupboards, food, yuck, junk? I want to show you how easy it is to take it off. Now, I put crayon on here just to show you how this can work. And what am I using? I am using non-stick cooking spray. Everybody's got that in their cupboard. We're gonna just take it, we're gonna spray it on, let it sit for just a second, then you're gonna grab your paper towel, and you're just going to start and you're going to wipe. And you'll just rub until you've removed it all. When you're done removing it, then you're going to run that up and down the cupboard to make sure that you give the whole thing a nice polish. And look at that. It's that easy, and just give it a buff when you're done. So simple. Now, these are going to be tips that you can use, make them yourself, but super easy. This is going to be your all-purpose vinegar cleaner. Use it on all surfaces except stone. You're going to use 2 parts rubbing alcohol. You're going to use about 2 or 3 good squirts of liquid dish soap and about 1 cup of white vinegar, couple cups of water, and select whatever fragrance you like of your essential oils. Put that together, give it a shake and a spray, and you're ready to clean. Now, these are shower cleaners. Spray and walk shower cleaners. These are the ones that when you're done showering, last person gets out, spray the walls and the doors down. Now, do they do a perfect job cleaning? Of course not. But they make the time between cleanings last a lot longer. So here's what you're going to do for these. You're going to put in 1 cup of water, and now this one is the vinegar shower spray. So you're going to put in 1 cup of water, 2 cups of white vinegar. Shake and spray, and you'll just mist it on. This is good for your fiberglass, your tile, things like that. Next, we have our shower spray that will be used on stone, your granite, your marble, things like that. You're going to use 2 parts rubbing alcohol, 3 parts of water, any essential oil that you like. I like to put about 20 drops in. You choose whatever you like. Spray and wipe. Next, we're going to do the mold removal. Now, to remove the mold, we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, about a 1/4 cup of liquid dish soap, and a cup of water. Spray it on when you have mold, let it sit. The mold should disappear shortly. And when you're doing shower doors, you get them clean, make sure you're using Rain-X. It's for car windshields. Puts protective coating on like non-stick cookware, soap scum, and everything goes away. Now, if you're looking for a printable copy of this, go to queenofclean.com. Check me out at Facebook at Real Queen of Clean, Instagram Real Queen of Clean, and hundreds of free videos on the Queen of Clean YouTube channel. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.